guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this eyeball on head outfit hack on Dress to Impress. So first of all, you're just going to want to select a hairstyle. You can select any of these you want. I'm just going to use this one, and then actually I'm going to make it animated. You can use any hairstyle again, as I said here, and I might use this as well, and just layer some hairs on, and I'm going to use this for kind of like the brain ish slash like eye veins. I don't know, just play around with the hairs and the bangs and stuff like that. I think that looks good. Okay, what you're going to want to do next is you're going to grab the pumpkin, and then I'm going to color it white, and I'm going to place it on the head like this. Then grab the coconut, and then I think you're supposed to color it like the color of like an iris, so maybe I'll do like red. I'll just do that for all of the colors here. Okay. Oops. Once you're done with that, you'll need to get the apple for the inside of the eye. Select the toggle button and select Rotten to the core. And as you can see, we have our eye. Oh my gosh, I think I need to wear something else because you cannot see that very well. Let me just put on this like shirt here. Can I? What? I've been not able to press stuff, so let's just use this one. And that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. I think you'll need to color the stem of the apple the same as your eyes, so do that, like the iris. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.